Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, then maybe your steering wheel is doing something like this. Check out this sound. One of the main indicators of that noise is a low power steering fluid. And so I want to show you how you can look at that and check that out in your car, and even how you can fix it as well. So let's check it out. So here is your power steering fluid. You can check this out. It even says it on the top, so if you're looking for that. But what you can do to check this, number one, it has some settings on the side. It has a cold and a hot setting. That just means if it's been running or not. It's cold if it hasn't been running, hot if it has been. But you can check, you can open this up, check this out. It has a dipstick on it. You can kind of see where it is. You can wipe that off and check that out. But you can also look in here and check just to see if it has anything in there. If you want to look in, kind of peek in there and see. But if you can't see very well, you can also get a flashlight, kind of shine a light through here, kind of help you see where it's at. If it's really low, it's going to be kind of below these lines right here. But one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to fill this all the way up, because if you do, it's going to be spewing everywhere. So you want to make sure you just put it on the line, and you don't want to fill it up too high, because it has a max and a min as well. So this could be the easy culprit. So that's what I'm going to do. Going to put a little bit in here, then we're going to check it out. Guys, I did want to just show you a little trick. If you're unable to see where your line is, you can take just any type of flashlight, put it on the back side of this, and you can now read better what these lines are. Even if it's dark or if it's light outside, it just helps you be able to see this a little bit better. So that's just one little pro tip. Well, hey guys, I wanted to show you all this. After we put the power steering fluid in and drove around a little bit, it doesn't make any noise when you turn. So that was the problem. Well, as you could tell from the video, I just had to put a little extra power steering fluid in my truck, and it fixed the squeal and the whine from my steering wheel, and maybe that helped you, and hopefully it did. But I also want to let you guys know that you're going to need to check around in here a little bit, see if there's anything leaking, or even underneath. You can kind of check where your car's been and see if there's any thing dripping or anything like that. If there is, then you probably need to take it to a mechanic shop to see if something might be leaking in your power steering line or anything like that. So you want to go ahead and get those checked out if it could be a problem. But for me, all it needed was just a little extra power steering fluid. And so if you haven't been driving on it too long, then it's probably not a big deal. But if you have, you want to get that checked out, because you don't want to be losing power steering anytime while you're driving. But if this video did help you, I'd love to know that. You can leave a like and even subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have any comments, put them down below. Love to help you out with those as well. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.